Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm from North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I've been tattooing for about 10 years now. I've done art my whole life, so getting around tattooing seemed like a good thing to do at the time. Really got into it more in my teens with graffiti and other aspects of different things, surfing, skating, all that got me into different styles of art. I like to tattoo beach scenes, anything ocean oriented, stuff like that. Really what I like, but color, always fun. Inspiration is being around the other artists and actually just getting to talk to different customers. Being here in Orlando, we get to talk to people from out of the country all the time, so you get to hear all different types of life and what people do and what inspires them to get art on their body. When I'm not tattooing, I'm either at the beach, going to reggae shows, or just hanging out with my family. Well, working at Good Vibrations Inc. is awesome because I work with people that got awesome vibes and got great taste in music, very chill, laid back. Everybody just does their thing and gets along.